Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Alexander. In this video I'm going to share with you how you can find prospects or leads for your marketing agency for free and with a couple of paid options. So let's get right into it. First thing I would suggest you to do before start looking for prospects is to decide on what criteria you're going to be looking for. So a couple of I would suggest picking 2 maximum to 3 different niches and going after them. Don't be jack of all trades but master of none. Specialize in 1 to 2, as I said, maximum 3 niches. Specialize on those because it's going to be very easy for you to scale, and you don't need to figure different strategy because every type of business needs a different strategies. But for example, if you choose to go after dentists, the strategy is going to be generally the same across the board. So you're going to be able to really specialize over one niche and really scale from there. Another thing, you're going to need a sheet. I have prepared this master spreadsheet that I'm going to share with all of you, that you can download and use for your agency. Also, before starting to look for leads or prospects, you're going to need to find out what information you're going to need. So generally speaking, you're going to need the business name, website, niche, first name, last name, the email of the owner. So by first name and last name I mean the owner of the business, or let's say the CEO, the CMO, etc. Also the email of that person, the general email of the business, country, Facebook page, Instagram page, when you have contacted them via email, when via Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and notes you want to add. Also, if you're gonna go after let's say dentist, you might need another column here which is gonna be phone number, so we can call him. So let's get right into it. The first way to look for businesses and leads for you marketing agencies is by Google. So you're simply gonna go to Google, and for this example we're gonna be using dentists, and let's say we're gonna type dentist in the UK. So generally speaking, the first couple of pages is going to be very established businesses and probably going to be doing marketing, because you can see most of the page is just with ads. But these businesses here, probably some of them are going to be NHS, etc. So go after probably 3rd or page number 4. And let's say, for example, we're going to click this business here. And Portman Dental Care. You're going to come here. Portman Dental Care. You're gonna add your website and dental practice, and you get the point. So how you can fill out this information. The hardest thing for you to find is gonna be probably the first and the last name and the email of the probably principal dentist. So how we can do it? You're gonna go to about us. Most of the practices have meet the team or our team page, but I can't find for this one. If they don't have a page, let's say for you to check their team, let's just check this page, visions of value. Okay, so they don't have a meet the team page. So in this case, you're gonna go scroll to the bottom. Most of the dental practices are gonna have on their website, you can see the legal name of the business, Portman Healthcare Ltd. You're gonna copy this and you're gonna go to Companies House. This is the UK's website for businesses, and you're gonna basically paste the name, search it, and you can see the name is gonna come here on top, Portman Healthcare Limited. If a lot of businesses come up, like in our case at the moment, and you're unsure which business to choose, you're gonna see they also have a number here. Copy it. Yeah, so it's gonna be this, because you can see there's 2 numbers. So one of them is gonna be the company registered number. Again, go to Companies House, paste it. There you go. Click on the business, go to people. And here you're gonna see secretary, director. Of course, as you can see, they're quite a big business, so you need to figure out which of these people is the person you need to contact, because you can see there are quite a lot of directors, as they're probably a big business. But if the practice is small, you're gonna have probably 3 to 4 people here, and find the one that is the director, and contact them. So let's say, for example, we found the name of the director. So let's say, for example, is this person here, Mark. Okay, so to find Mark's email is going to be probably hard in this case, because if we go to find practice, you can see they have probably 100 practices across the UK. So finding Mark's email is going to be quite hard. So as I told you earlier, try to aim for smaller businesses. No, there's nothing wrong of trying to sign big businesses like this one, but you're gonna have a lot more success aiming of smaller dental practices in the beginning, and then once you get more experience, you can grow and try to attract big businesses like this one. But let's say if we try to find the email of a dedicated person of one of the practices, so let's for example choose this practice here. There you go. As I told you, most of the practices are going to have meet the team. So there you go. Dr. Peter is the principal dentist, so we're going to need to contact him, or Dr. John. You can see he's the principal dentist as well. You can also try to contact the practice manager, but either way, I believe it's going to work out better if you can find the email of one of the principal dentists, but it's going to be harder to reach out to them because they're busier than the practice owner probably. But let's say for this example, we're going to try to find the email address, Peter's email address. So what we're going to do here, also when you install Hunter.io, you're going to get this Chrome extension. So when you click it, it's going to search all of the emails that can be found on the website, but as you can see, I have reached my free monthly quota, so I won't be able to do so. But basically, when you click on it, it's going to find all of the emails that are on the website, and as you can see, we have 25 searches per month. But let's scroll to the bottom. Let's try to find just a single email, but we're probably going to find it on the Facebook page. There you go. So you can find the email here. You're gonna copy it. So let's take this one here. We're gonna find Dr. Peter. The general email of the practice is this one that we found. And how to go with finding Peter's email. You're gonna come here, Hunter.io, verifier, paste the normal email that you found, delete this part of the email and type Peter. Just a second to load and to verify it. If it doesn't work, Peter, there you go, you can see it's invalid. All 4 need to be valid or in green, and it means that it's gonna work. And you can contact this email, but as you can see, Peter doesn't work, so we can try first name dot last name. There's a lot of combinations of, sometimes might be just the first letter of the first name and then the last name, but you just need to play around and find out which one is working. Oh, there you go, you can see that first name dot last name is working. You're gonna copy it, paste it here, and then country, UK, you paste the Facebook page, Instagram page, and here you can type when you have contacted them via all of these platforms, and notes, you can type any notes you want about the business. But you get the point how you can fill all of this information. The second way would be through Facebook. So what you're gonna do on Facebook is go on the search, again, Dentist UK, and you're gonna go to the pages part, and you can start checking all of the practices one by one. So let's say you can check this one here, and again, go to their website, find the principal dentist or the practice owner, fill out all the information, and yep. So the third way is by Instagram. So with Instagram, how it's gonna work? So let's say Portman Dental Care. You're gonna go to search Portman Dental Care. There you go. You're gonna click on it, and you're gonna click on this arrow, and it's gonna show you similar businesses to this one. So you can see we have Jones Dental. Open in a new tab, go to their website, and again fill out all the information that you can find. The next way is a paid way how you can find leads. It's very easy and it's very inexpensive. So D7 Lead Finder, I'm not by any way affiliate to these guys, but I've been using it in the past, and it gives you quite a lot of information. So as you can see here, there's D7 Lead Finder demonstration. So basically you're gonna type the keyword, so you can go about dentists, choose a city, London, click get leads, and it's gonna take about 5 minutes to scrape the internet, and then later on you can see it gives you the name, the phone number, their email address, website, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram page, Twitter page if they have one, if they're on Facebook or Instagram ads, what are their reviews, Google rank, and category. So very helpful tool. It's gonna give you probably one of the biggest cities like London. Is gonna give you probably thousands of leads. But if you go, let's say, to New York or let's say Los Angeles, it's gonna give you tons and tons of leads. So definitely work. It's gonna save you lots of time, and I think it's very inexpensive, something around $20 to $40 per month. Yeah, so it's about $30 to $50 per month. Again, the more you pay, the more data is gonna give you. But you can go in the beginning just with the starter plan, and it's gonna give you 10 daily searches for 1 month. So that's about 300 searches, and it's gonna give you a ton of leads. As you can see, 3,500 per day. If you multiply it by 30, it's gonna be probably something around 90,000 leads. So very good tool to use if you want to find leads. And the last one is gonna be again a paid way to find leads online is by outsourcing it via Upwork or Fiverr. I have another video on this, how to post a job, about anything that you need to outsource, and I'm gonna place the link in the description down below. But that's basically it. Again, couple of important things before you start looking for prospects is know what you're looking for. This is also gonna help if you're gonna outsource it. So if you're gonna outsource it through Fiverr or Upwork, make sure you give them all of the details, all the requirements you have. But the more requirements you give them, the more expensive it's gonna be for them to do the job, because it's gonna take them more time. But again, focus max 2 to 3 niches. Choose which businesses you want to go after and specialize in those niches, because it's gonna be a lot easier for you to scale. But yeah, that's about it in the video. I really hope you got some value out of it. And if you want to see more videos like this, feel free to subscribe and hit the thumbs up if you found any value. Business owner or an agency owner, and you want to outsource your social media marketing, specifically Facebook and Instagram ads, you can get in touch with me, and we're gonna see how we can help you. We work with mainly e-commerce and dentists, so if you're in those two niches, we can definitely help you out. But yeah, that's basically it, guys. Thank you very much for your time, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.